5 facts about Kazakhstan. Number 1. Size. Kazakhstan is 9th largest country in the world by land area, spanning over 1.1 million square miles. Number 2. Population. Kazakhstan has a population of approximately 20 million people and is home to over 130 different nationalities. Number 3. Beautiful places. The Kind Nature Reserve in Kazakhstan is known for its unique ecological diversity, including rare plants and animals. It's a popular destination for ecotourism and nature enthusiasts. Number 4. Bishparmak. Bishparmak is Kazakhstan's national dish, which means 5 fingers in Kazakh. Its traditional consists of boiled meat, usually lamb or horse meat. Number 5. It's a home for significant success in boxing at the Olympics. Kazakhstan has won a total of 7 Olympic gold medals in boxing. This made Kazakhstan one of the most successful countries in boxing history.